Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering read codes. You can see here that they're actually retired now. Everyone's using SNOMED and there's DN+D still going to. But for legacy reasons, you still need it. So we've got data going back to 2011 up to 2020. You can see a list of the tables we've got here. And I'll just scroll down. You can pause the video to have a proper read of them if you like. You can see there's two schemas, read codes and then read data migration. Read data migration is from another TRUD pack to help with migrating to SNOMED and such. So I just queried a few tables because there's too much here to query. Read code CV2SCD, and by the way, the read code column is a case sensitive column. So you get the idea with this. CV3 hierarchy SCD, just one of the tables I'm randomly picking for you to have a look at. And from the read data migration, CTV3 SCT, that's mapping from read version 3 to SNOMED. And you know we've got a SNOMED pack as well. I've got another video about that too. So there is a lot more I could show, but I don't really use this data. We only understand it insofar as what's needed to present it into the database. And that's where we get help with the data providers when needed for that. But beyond that, I'll leave it to you guys to use. You can go to the sources and get all the PDFs to explain the data, etc. So that's that. Thanks.